You can't see much of a difference, but it's there. Hi guys, welcome back to Family and Fit. Today is 7-week summer shredding. Like, I'm excited. I got on the scale this morning and I just hit a workout, so I'm out of breath. I was feeling like I've lost some weight, but wasn't sure because I can kind of see, but I can't, you know. It's one of those things. So I got on the scale to see if the number changed. The number did change. The number did change. Like, I am at, I'm at 127. Flat, like no point, nothing. So 127. Last week when I shot this video, I was 129. So I lost 3 pounds in a week. Like, that's just so amazing. Like, I'm so proud of myself. Like, you guys probably like, whoa, it's not too big of a change, but to me, it's a big change. Because when I first started summer shredding, I was like 137. So, really good. I'm making good progress and I'm starting to see it, and I'm so happy. Like, my clothes that I bought when I was 112 pounds, like, they're kind of tight still, but they're starting to fit. Like, I'm amazed. So, we're gonna hop into this and let you guys know how my summer shredding is. Now, I'm going to relax. So, this is like my relaxed state.
I've been waiting here for you since the beginning of this universe. You know the world is fading. There's a secret power hidden in your soul. Don't be afraid to use it, 'cause you're the one. You're the one. You're the one. You're the one. 'Cause you're the one. You're the one.
You can't see much of a difference, but it's there.
You're the chosen one. Greetings chosen, I've been waiting here for you since the beginning of this universe. You know the world is fading. There's a secret power hidden in your soul. Don't be afraid to use it. There are voices in your head saying that you're a failure. You're not good enough, but you know that's not true. There is a secret power hidden in your soul. Don't be afraid to use it, 'cause you're the one. You're the one.
So that is my summer shredding. If you guys like this video, like, subscribe, make sure you subscribe for this summer shredding, and we have some more other content that's going to be coming out, and it's going to be pretty exciting news and kind of emotional. So just subscribe and be watching if you want to see that content. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. If you like this video, if you didn't, still give it a thumbs up. And I'll catch you next week. So, summer shredding is going good. Like, it's going great. I'm really excited. You guys don't even know, like, I've lost weight, and I don't know if you guys can tell, but I have. But love you a lot. Catch you in the next one.